Hello everyone, I am back. I hope you had a wonderful eat with friends and family. Now, let's burn our eat calories with a healthy snack. Today, I will be making some hummus. Before that, let's prepare the tahini first. For the tahini, you will first need to roast the sesame seed until it's golden brown. You can either roast it on the stove like what I did or bake it in the oven. Either way, you shouldn't leave the sesame seed unattended as it burns easily. After roasting the sesame seed, leave it to cool before blending. Once the sesame seeds are finely blended, add some grapeseed oil into the mixture and blend till smooth. If you do not have grapeseed oil, you may use other oil like almond or olive oil. You can keep the tahini in the fridge for up to a month. Tahini have many uses, as a sauce, dips, spreads, or for salad dressing. Now, let's make the hummus. Put in a can of chickpea, some water, tahini, garlic, cumin, salt, and lemon juice into the blender. For the canned chickpea, ensure you drain the liquid and rinse chickpea before blending. After that, put some olive oil and blend it again. This is how it should look like. You can serve it with some veggie like what I did here or some bread. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye!